Want to make your motorcycle engine look fresh and new again? Then stick around and I'll show you a Harley-Davidson Engine Brightener. Hey, I'm Jordan here at the Harley-Davidson Garage. If you are looking for the ultimate engine makeover, the Engine Brightener from Harley-Davidson is a must-have. This specially formulated finish restorer is designed to bring back life to the wrinkle-black finishes on your engine cases, covers, cylinder fins, and any other part of your engine that has lost its luster over time. With just one application, you can bring back the beautiful shiny look you love about your Harley-Davidson engine. To get the most out of your Engine Brightener, clean the engine surfaces first and let it dry completely. Use a snorkel to get into those hard to reach areas and make sure to wipe up any excess spray. Once applied, wait 5 to 10 minutes before starting the engine. And a pro tip for you, after those week-long trips or major washes, repeat the previous steps and reapply as necessary to maintain the new engine look. So if you're looking for an easy way to restore your Harley's engine while providing superior protection from future damage, the Harley-Davidson Engine Brightener is a great choice for you. It can take any old Harley and turn it into something that looks like it just rolled off the assembly line. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you next time.